my life seems to be like golf, 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 golf. So, you know, I miss like seeing my friends going to the movies.
Is that a sacrifice that you just prepared to make though?
Yeah, like last year I was like, oh my God, I still want to see my friends, but my parents keep telling me if you make a sacrifice, then something that you want to achieve will come. I'm like sometimes scared that they're gonna get angry or, you know, like that. But like most people out there, they're really nice.
Nicer since you've been winning?
Yeah. You know, I guess that's life and you can't get everything you want.
The media is kind of fun, right?
Yeah.
You've got to say yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good work. We worked on that last night. Hopefully the country will get behind her. She's got a trust fund at New Zealand Golf which people can donate money to. And everything counts. Playing around New Zealand is one thing, but international superstar golf like she's playing now is very cost prohibitive.
You sick of each other?
Yeah.
Whoa, hang on. At least give yourself a second to think about that. Yep. No pressure.
Yeah, exactly. But you've got to make sacrifices for success.
She started making sacrifices at just 6 when she came to New Zealand from South Korea.
Her and her mum moved in across the road, came in the pro shop and said they wanted to start golf. I couldn't initially see her at that point because she was about an inch tall and couldn't speak a word of English.
We had no choice.
Oh, turn it up. No choice, whatever. You had the whole world to choose from when you came and found me.
That's a lie.
What about another exclamation mark?
That's a lie.